haunted by ghosts.
And it is. One night, my great-granddad was investigating this place. He went downstairs to the tunnels. A ghost, all of a sudden, out of nowhere, pushed him into the floor and never came back here ever again.
So bro, one time, a friend was walking down the hallway and like this ghost was apparently pushed off the edge. He just got off for like 2 months ago. That's so bad, bro. You know what I mean? Like,
I don't really have any stories. I just heard rumours about old Victorians died here. Do you know any?
I heard about this tornado guy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's been all over. Apparently like he's been killing people around here.
Yeah, I've heard about the murderer. Apparently he went into a jewellery shop, right? Didn't even take anything, just killed the guard and left. Like, who does that? I think his name's Tornado or something. What a stupid name's that?
Wait, why would someone be called Tornado?
because everywhere he goes, he leaves a mass destruction. It's so cool, bro.
Cool? I don't think that's cool. That sounds really dangerous.
Think of all the views and stuff.
Views? I don't even have a TikTok account.
We need to go to the bathroom.
Why do you always think about views? Dude, why?
Because get famous, you get the money. Imagine me like Mr. Beast. Yeah, I know.
Whoa! Can you get your electric replaced last week? What ghost? What ghost do you mean? What the hell? What happened? What's going on? Wait, we see anything? Is he well? Is he okay? Oh. That's not a very good sign. That's not good at all. Oh, the lights! Oh, the lights! Oh, finally! Oh,
I'm gonna stay here until the others get back.
You get out of here. That was horrifying. I don't know.
Why is he dead?
Why is he dead?
I
The
don't
ghost
know.
got him.
We don't know.
We were all here. Must have been one of you two. Unless it really was the ghost.
I guess this is the tornado guy.
No. Oh, hello.
Okay. So there's been a murder at the port. Wait, calm down.
Right, I'm on my way.
Another day in paradise, isn't it?
ID, please. Go through.
Thanks.
So we have 3 possible exits, one on the window, one on the main door, and one on the side door. We've had CCTV footage which shows that no one's left the building, so all the possible victims and witnesses are in there. We've got 5 possible witnesses in total, 2 of which are proposed offenders and 3 of which are victims. So the 2 are Mason and Jack, and the 3 victims are unnamed currently. They are in the current state of shock and we haven't had any further information. If you'd like to enter and talk to them yourself.
Okay, so who do you reckon that we should interrogate first?
I would personally interrogate Mason first. He seems to be the most dodgy one.
Okay, yeah, that's a fair explanation. Okay.
And then move on to Jack. And also, please keep an eye on the 3 victims because we are unaware if one of them is actually an offender. That's all the rundown of information I currently have. I have nothing else.
Okay, thank you for your notices.
So,
Shall we go in?
so.
Thank you very much.
Keep on the door.
Right. I'm going to ask you 3 questions, okay?
Okay.
Where were you at the time of the murder?
I was in the bathroom.
What's your relationship with the deceased?
He was an annoying friend who was obsessed with YouTube and TikTok.
Fair. Who do you think might have reason to kill the victim?
Charlotte.
Okay, I'll interview her next, but if any more evidence come up, I will have to call you back in.
Okay.
But you can go now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. First question. Do you know why Jack would pick you for the prime suspect?
Well, I had an argument with the dead dude before he died, but apart from that, we were pretty okay with each other.
Right. Now on to the real questions. Where were you at the time of the murder?
I was sitting next to my friends in the room where the person was murdered. We were sitting in a circle telling ghost stories.
Okay. What's your relationship with the deceased?
I'd say it was alright. He was very obsessed with everything being on the internet, and I did not particularly like that. But alright, but we've only had a few fights.
Okay. And last question. Who do you think might have reason to kill the victim?
Well, seeing as it wasn't me, and that would be the main obvious reason, I'd probably go for Shyla. She was pretty spooked by the ghosts, and he was making fun of her.
Yes. And thank you for your time.
Sasha?
And you can go. I'll call in Shyla next. Jesus.
Do this. What a beautiful thing. I'm gonna go to college. Do anything.
Why are you shivering?
Ah! Sorry. I'm not shivering, I'm just nervous.
Are you shivering because you killed him?
I wouldn't kill anybody in my life. I'm already being accepted into Oxford.
Okay. I'll get you a blanket and would you like a teddy?
No, thank you. No, thank you. That's
Okay.
embarrassing.
Never mind. Yeah. Really shocking. So,
Really?
yes.
Well,
Would you like to answer my 3 questions?
I don't have anything to lose.
Okay. Where were you at the time of the murder?
I was around in a circle with all of my other friends at a sleepover.
Who do you think might have reason to kill the victim? Morgan, perhaps?
Maybe. She didn't really like him very much. She's probably the one who hated him most. She's probably the one who hated him the most.
Okay. Are you alright now?
Yes, I have to get the train.
Okay, you can go. It's fine.
Finally going home. I don't have to worry about anything at all. Just great. Nothing at all. I don't have to worry about anything. No, like, I'm going to be
Bolognese.
Maybe. I like carbonara a bit more though.
I go for mac and cheese.
With ham or without?
Mac and cheese pizza. Oh, they've got today's a really good place at West End. We can go.
I'd spend one on second street.
They've got really bad reviews on the
Hello, Morgan. A little birdie once told me that you hated the victim. Why?
Well, it's annoying.
So, if he was annoying and you hated him for it, would you kill him?
No,
Are you sure?
100%.
Okay. Where were you at the time of the murder?
I was in a circle where we were telling ghost stories.
Right. Who do you think might have reason to kill the victim?
Yeah, I don't know who it could be.
Okay. Just go. I'm tired for today.
Wonder who the murderer could be.
It was you!
I know a quicker way.
Where the hell were you? Come in here right now.
It was her idea, not mine.
It was not my idea.
Yes, it was.
You said pizza tacos
No,
or
I didn't.
mac and cheese.
Stop! Which one of you two done it?
Neither of us did it.
Was it you? Because you're laughing.
Neither of us did anything.
So, who's the people we've got left?
People who got
Well-
left.
Who aren't obviously dead?
That would be Mason's left, so it couldn't have been him. We've got that one weird dude with the hoodie all the time. We got Charlotte and we got Shyla, though she seemed pretty freaked out after she ran out. Yeah,
I'm
so
hungry.
sorry. We've just eaten. Guard the door.
Tacos next time? Just keep your mind off of food.
So, it's not Charlotte, it's not Jimi Hendrix, so it must be that weird, sort of, Jesus, why do people always have to die? For God's sake, who is it now this time?
Why is his vest there? Right. For God's sake. Why do you have to die? Never mind.
Jesus. God, okay.
Keep your hands. I've had enough of you tornadoes.
Come on, you've gone away for a really long time.